Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Demonstrator on 2016 Ford F-150. We guys have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to work on in one of the fuse boxes that's located under the hood in the engine bay. And if you come right here behind your car battery, you can see right here, let me zoom in even a little bit more, that cover right here, that's your fuse box cover. You just open this one, and once you open it, you will see your fuse box just like that. This one will be the front of the truck. Okay, this is towards the windshield. So which fuses we need to check now? Let's explain why it's important to test first fuses and relays so we don't waste our time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
We can see, guys, how you have different kinds of relays, fuses. Those could be really hard to find in small towns. If you need in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding one, or they can be really overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy cheap fuses and relays. That way you don't have to pay that amount of money, crazy amount of money, and you can put some spares in your glove box, so if you need them, you have them, guys. That's what we usually do. Right here in that fuse panel right here, if you come in that row right here, guys, the first fuse for the transmission oil pump will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That 10M fuse, that's known as fuse number 41. And then you may have another one, which is fuse number 5 in a row, or known as fuse number 42. So these two fuses, okay, could be for the transmission oil pump.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.